Time to shake up your shakeout. 100 feet of pile laying to gear up for the season ahead. Today, we've got two crews working side by side, pushing each other to get the job done. On the left, the skid steer crew. On the right, the all-new automated MT500 material transporter.
The drill for today. Both teams will be placing a bundle of piles in a straight line, focusing on precision and labor efficiency.
Precision being one of our key words here, the GPS system in the MT500 could give it an edge over the skid steer crew. And both teams have started.
The skid steer crew has set a good pace, and wait, look how smooth the MT500 is laying each pile down.
And it's not just smooth. The automated arm eliminates the need for crews to manually place piles, which can be tough work.
Skid steer crew missed a pile.
That's why we're out here training.
MT500 is out here playing 3D chess, planning 3 moves ahead.
Skid steer crew's looking strong, and we're coming down to the final pile.
The drill is complete, and it's a strong day for automation. The MT500 material transporter is moving the solar energy industry forward, delivering precision and game-changing performance.
It's time to shake up your shakeout.